Dysbiosis sounds complicated. It simply means imbalance. Hi, I'm Dr. Heather from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. When harmful bacteria outnumber beneficial ones, symptoms follow. Bloating, irregular digestion, mood shifts, immune reactivity. But here's what's often missed. Dysbiosis isn't only about what you eat. It's about the internal environment your nervous system creates. If your system is chronically braced, digestion slows, acid levels change, bacterial diversity decreases. The nervous system sets the terrain. So if you're taking probiotics but still feeling tense, what message is your gut receiving? At Wellspring, we look at regulation first because repair works best in a stable environment. So here's something simple. Reduce one manageable stressor this week. Late night screens, overscheduling. Watch how your digestion responds when your system feels safer.